Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best Chrome extension for your Chat GPT. So what I mean the best Chat GPT extension, this will blow your mind. If I go to the Chat GPT here, I have already shown you how to connect the Chat GPT in the web access or the give the connection of the internet here. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check this link in the description of the video here. So I'm going to show you another extension which will do everything for you. So if you want to do SEO for your content, if you want to marketing, if you want to design for your content, if you are a YouTuber and if you want to do some title and description for YouTube, this extension can do everything for you. First of all, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store here and search for AIRPM, and we'll find the AIPRM for the ChatGPT. So you have to search for AIPRM. Sorry for that. So just click on it and add to Chrome and add extension, and ChatGPT will open up here automatically, and the extension is loaded here. As you can see, there is lots of automatic prompt showing here in my ChatGPT here. If I go up here, as you can see, human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, mid-journey prompt generator, outrank article, fully SEO optimized article, and keyword strategy. Write a complete book in one click. So these are the made up prompt that this website made in here, and this extension just pull up the prompt here and connect in your Chat GPT here. And you can see there is thousands of prompts with this extension here. There are so many things you can do with this extension here. So if I go to the mid-journey prompt generator here, as you can see, mid-journey prompt generator, and you can choose the language here. You can also choose the tone of voice here. You can also choose the writing style here. So if I say just I want a picture of a dog here and just press enter, and as you can see, it's creating a mid-journey prompt with more details and more in-depth situation for the image here. So he's creating a lot of image prompt with this generator here, and you can use this prompt to generate a lot of image in the mid-journey. You will have a great image output from the mid-journey here. So if I go to the new chat here, and if you want to write an article for your blog post here, so if I just search for article here, I have just searched for article here, and you can choose also top votes and latest update or top views. This means that top views and top votes here, and also the top latest updates here. So if I go choose the top votes here, this will show me the most like prompt that people are using with this extension here. So human written 100% unique SEO optimized, which is the most like prompt in the extension here. So if I click on it, and you just need to enter a keyword or title here. So if I want any article, just give your title here. So for example, if I give a title here, best place to visit in London, and if I just press enter here, as you can see, it's already giving me a heading of the article here, and it's writing the contents of the article here. So this will give you lots of ideas, and if you have a blank page and you don't know how to write an article, you can have now this idea. You can just edit of some of this information, or you can just copy and paste it and then edit with your Word file or any other software that you use to write article here. So as you can see, is writing a very beautiful article for the prompt that I give here. And it's not just a small article that is writing here, it's writing a very big article just like a human would do. So if I go back to the new chat here again, and if you're a YouTuber and you want some YouTube SEO related thing, just search for YouTube here and go to the topic and search for SEO. As you can see, here's a lot of prompt here. YouTube tag generator with keyword, get automatic YouTube title and description for video. So I'm just gonna click on the get automatic YouTube title and description for video here. and I'm going to put my keyword or title of the video that I already, and I'm going to put the title of this video here that I have already got from this YouTube generator of the Chat GPT extension here. So just paste my title here and hit enter. And as you can see, it's giving me the title that I have created with this Chrome extension of this Chat GPT here. And also it's giving me the description for it. And also it's telling me the video content of the video that I'm going to make with this title here. And as you can see, it's also give me some tags and hashtags and also social media links for this video here if I want to add in the video. This Chrome extension have lot of prompts you can use. YouTube SEO, best SEO is YouTube script for creator. And if I go to the topic here, it has all things that you have to do for copywriting here. And if I search for article again, as you can see, right, it's showing me another prompt, write best smart article, best to rank on Google, and human like rewriter version 1.6. So you can use this Chat GPT Chrome extension for boost your productivity. This is the best extension that I have ever found for productivity tool. So this video will be very long, so how to use it for different categories. So I'm going to make some other videos how to use for YouTube or SEO article or any other thing. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and if you want more tools and extension and updated AI tools like this, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.